Hello, and welcome to the 21st APR Tactile Group Activities, brought to you in part by the Idaho State Department of Education. This is webinar 3 in a 6-part series. So today what we are going to focus on is adding activities and important features to Idaho 21st DCLC activities. So first and foremost, adding activities. How do we go about doing that? Well, I will be using the guidance for 21st APR Tactile Group Data Collection System, which will provide step-to-step guides and definitions that are Idaho-specific to activities. So when you pull up on your main screen, you will click your center name, and then let's pull it up here. So on your grantee page down at the bottom, you will click your center name, pull it up, and now at the top right-hand corner, you'll see an arrow with activity. You can click there, or of course on the left-hand side on those 3 white dots, that's the menu that'll slide out, and you can see it here, activities, or of course you can jump to other sections as you see fit. So you go into activities, and you select each topic in which you held activities. So academics, enrichment, character education, and college and career readiness. And then from there, for each topic, you enter the frequency, the number of hours, the average number of participants, and if it was college and career readiness. You repeat these steps for all the categories of academic, enrichment, character education, and college and career readiness. You click Review Activities when finished, and of course you can click Edit if you need to make any changes, and if everything looks good, click Submit Activity. A couple of tips. If the Review Activities button is grayed out or unclickable, make sure you've filled in all the required fields. And whenever you see a question mark in a circle, you can click it to see more information about that topic. So as you can see here, STEM, and it gives us a question mark. We click it, and it explains what is STEM. Now, please, I would refer you to look at the guide. As in section 8.1 of the guide, it will give you a full list of definitions for activities. And of course, these definitions aren't exclusive, but a starting spot to know where to balance those activities into. A couple other things, points of reminder with activities. Is that if an activity falls into, two different options, for example, an activity may be physical education or character education, then use your best judgment to fit it into one category. So only count the activity one time as it applies, and it's up to you to decide which one you want to put it into. So that is all for this webinar. Thank you. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me at 332-6813 or email me. Have a great day.